Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Bilal from Islamiah College, Autonomous Vanimbadi. Today I am going to discuss about national income and what are the difficulties are there in measuring national income. National income means that total money value of final goods and services produced in a country during a particular period of time, that is 1 year. And as per the definition of Marshall, the labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resources produced annually a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kinds. This is the true net annual income or revenue of the country, national dividend. Before going to discuss about the difficulties, there are certain methods of measuring national income, like we have product method, income method and an expenditure. But today we are going to focus on difficulties. What are all the difficulties are there in measuring national income? Number one, transfer of payments. Government make payments like unemployment allowances, subsidies and pension. These are all government expenditure, but they are not included in the national income because they are paid without adding anything in the production process. Apart from this, we have interest on debt. Interest on debt also treated as a transfer of payment because it is paid by the government, an individual and firm on their past saving without any productive job or without any productive purpose. Number one. Number two, unpaid services. As we all aware that the housewife renders a number of services like preparation of meals, serving, tailoring, washing, bringing up children, etc. She is not paid for them and her services are not directly included in the national income. Moreover, if the same services done by the servant, we are going to pay for them, especially if the housewife rendered this domestic work cannot be measured in monetary terms. So unpaid services. Another one more thing, income from illegal activities. Gambling, smuggling, illicit extraction of liquor, etc. is not included in national income. These activities are not considered as a productive from the point of society and public view. And next point, production for self-consumption and changing prices. Farmers keep huge portion of food and other goods produced on the farm for self-consumption. These issues is whether that part of produce which is not sold in the market or which is not, whether it is included in the national income or not. So it is also a major issue. Now national income by product method is measured by the value of final goods and services at current market prices. But prices do not remain stable. In order to solve these issues, we should estimate the real national income method on a constant price level by consumer price index. So these are all the various difficulties and difficulties in assessing the depreciation. Another one more problem. Deduction of depreciations, accidental damages, repair and replacement charges from the national income is not an easy task. It requires high degree of skill and judgment to assess these factors. Next point, capital gains. As we all aware, capital gains arises when a capital asset such as a house, other property, stock or shares, etc. is sold at higher price than was paid for it at the time of purchase. Capital gains are excluded from national income. So it is not an easy task to count all this. A statistical problem. So one of the major issues, statistical problem, accurate and reliable data are not adequate, especially in the farm activities and animal husbandry. The farmers are not literate to keep all these things accurately, or they are not in a position to keep this record accurately. Even in the animal husbandry also, many things we are lagging statistically. So these are all the various difficulties in measuring the national income. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.